At my job, we're finally getting back into the office, which means that I have to pre-make my lunch. So I thought I would just show you guys how I make a really, really lazy lunch. I am putting my eggs into the egg boiler because I am lazy and don't use a stove to boil my eggs. I use this little machine and it stops when it's ready. I'm going to make tuna fish, and I like egg in my tuna fish, so I take out the yolk part and chop it up with my egg chopper because I'm lazy and didn't feel like taking out a knife. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Green Goddess seasoning from Trader Joe's. That stuff is so good. I put celery seed in my tuna, minced onion because I didn't feel like chopping up onion, and some lemon pepper, and of course Hellmann's real mayo, the real stuff, and get that mixed together. Put my lid on, and I make sure I make myself a little baggie of Ritz crackers. Next, I'm gonna pack some carrots because I need something healthy, I guess. So I'll put in some baby carrots, and in this little side pocket I just put a little bit of ranch dressing. And then I'm also going to get one of those little Laughing Cow cheeses just as an extra alternative. So I pack everything into my Vera Bradley lunchbox because I'm a kid. And the last thing I pack is a really small can of orange soda. I love these cans. I get them from Sam's Club. They're like the best way to control my soda intake, and that's my lazy lunch.